Hey guys, we got this Fritaire non-toxic air fryer pro for test and try 9-in-1 glass air fryer. So as you can see, looks really nice, very nice design, and I really like about that is it have this Rotisserie thing. So that is a function I will show you, and you can just easily put any liner and then start using this. The glass top is easy that you can see everything. This is the top part where this is nice meshy structure, and we can just put in some food and start explaining you the function. So you can set is easy to operate, so you can just choose what you want to do and just start it. So the light will be on so you can see what's going on, and this glass screen is really helpful to me that I can easily see. So you can see how this is working, evenly distributed. You can control the temperature with this plus minus signs, also the timer, and you can see how this is working with the nice power. There's very less noisy. I don't hear like that much of the sound, so this is pretty good. And but I like the design. The design is really good, and then it also has this self cleaning feature, Teflon free, provide all the other stuff as well. Once done, see the light is off, and you can see like the crispiness of these nuggets. So these are cheesy nuggets, and it also heat up from inside. That cheese is melted, and this is the other function. You have to put in the batteries and just add this on the side in the lock feature. Once locked, there is a basket. I just put in the some potato fries and start rotating, and I can choose and set this for the fries and start operating. You can see that how nicely this basket is moving inside, so it's pretty nice function. And then you can of course put in the chicken as well, and without the basket, and it have the attachment for that too. So there are multiple attachments provided, and the nice rotating function, and the fries thing, easy to clean and looks really great, very nice design. So what I like about this is that it have all different functions, easy to operate, nice looking air fryer, and I can easily see what's going inside. So and you can also like stop or things whatever is going on. So tumbler fries veggies, rosetteria, chicken kebabs, grabber, and here is my fries. So very nice functions, and very nice air fryer with all the different functions, with the glass bowl, self cleaning, rotisserie, and the tumbling basket, and comes in the 7 colors. So this is like you can put in the chicken with this. Of course you can adjust this, I just show as a demo, and you can slide in. So this is how this comes in this box, and nice, so you can also gift it to somebody. So nice gifting box, and also like all the accessories are provided, the grabber things, the mesh. So this is the 5 quart, and this is the main parts. So I like this structure thing as well. See like the nice color and very nice looking air fryer. All different parts are all provided. So this basket is also have ample space, so you can easily put in whatever the stuff like the veggies or the kebabs. Or overall I have a really great impression of this air fryer, and is really nice for the home use.